11번. 다음 그림을 보면서 대화를 듣고 여자가 구입하려는 자동차를 고르세요.
Molly, what are you doing now?
Oh, Tommy, I'm just browsing this website for used cars, but I can't decide what to buy. Can you help me?
Sure. First of all, you have to consider your budget. How much money can you spend?
I have around $5,000.
Good. Most of the cars on this website are available. Any other options you want?
I'm not accustomed to driving a car with manual gears, so the gear shift must be automatic.
Okay. And you also have to think about the mileage of the car.
The mileage should be less than 30,000.
Good. And what color do you have in mind?
I like dark colors better.